Now we will compare circular motion with linear motion, which we are much familiar. That linear motion consists of first term displacement. Okay, displacement is nothing but only distance covered. That means change in motion of the object. Second one is known as velocity. We simply named as linear velocity also. That velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So its formula becomes V is equal to ds upon dt. Here ds and dt stands for smaller displacement with smaller time. Its unit is meter per second. Displacement has unit meter. Displacement has notation s. Third concept is, or third term is acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but velocity or change in velocity upon time. And it has formula with notation a is equal to dv upon dt. That means rate of change of velocity, and unit meter second raised to minus 2. And next term, last term is force. F is equal to mass into acceleration. These four terms are basic terms regarding the basic motion, linear motion. And now the next motion is Cm, or may be taken as UCM. This term consists of firstly angular displacement. Angular displacement, it has simple notation taken as theta, because theta is nothing but notation for angle. Angular displacement, or it is also known as delta theta. Its unit is radian because it is angle. Second term, similar to velocity, this term is known as angular velocity, and it has notation omega and formula d theta by dt. Or this formula we can simply written as omega is equal to theta by t, as studied in oscillation. Theta is equal to omega into t. It has unit radian per second. Please listen carefully all these units. First one is angular displacement, which is analogous to displacement of linear motion. Second one is angular velocity, which is again analogous to velocity in linear motion. Third term is angular acceleration. It has notation alpha, and alpha is equal to d omega by dt. That means angular acceleration is rate of change of angular velocity. It has unit radian second raised to minus 2. And again analogous term is fourth term. It is force. In that part it is named as centripetal force. Again the same formula. Okay. Its formula is mass into, instead of acceleration it is angular or centripetal acceleration. Not angular, it is centripetal. Now we will discuss different terms regarding circular motion, that means angular acceleration, angular velocity, angular displacement, in next video.